How to schedule a video to publish later. Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to be telling you guys exactly how you guys can basically schedule a video to publish later, because sometimes we want to sleep, sometimes we might be going on a vacation and we might not be available to basically publish our videos. So in that case, what you guys can do is you guys can just simply open up your YouTube channel, upload a video, and then after that, once your video is uploaded, simply open it up, and then now of course you have to put in a title and a description, and then after that simply click on next once again, next again, and then from over here you just have to click on schedule. And now you guys can choose the date. You can also choose a year. Let's say you want to publish this video next year, or like perhaps after a decade it's still going to publish this particular video. You can also choose the time, the exact time that you guys want to basically schedule it. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to actually schedule videos. And once you guys have decided the time, click on schedule, and then now your video is going to be scheduled. And over here you guys can see that your video will be set to public on December 22, 2022. So guys, this was the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Till next time, goodbye.